Hello guys. I'm back on your screens again like I never left. My name is Damilola in case you're seeing me for the first time. And if you're a returning subscriber, you're special and you have a special place in my heart. Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to heal our skin barrier. I know in most of my videos, I talk about skin barrier. Even if this is the first time you're watching me, I'm sure that at some point or the other, you have heard about skin barrier, skin barrier, skin barrier. What is this skin barrier? How does it get damaged? What does it mean when it gets damaged? And how can we heal it when it is damaged? You need to stick around because towards the end of this video, I'm going to show you guys, because I don't want it to just be all theory. So I'm going to show you the things that I do when my own skin barrier is damaged, how I heal my own skin barrier. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. So let me start by explaining what skin barrier is. Some people call it skin barrier, some people call it protective skin barrier. Honestly, it's the same thing, but people just use it interchangeably, and that might be the same for this video. So it is basically the outermost layer of the skin that shields the skin and helps the skin to lock in moisture. It also protects the skin from irritants, from germs, external factors, etc. External factor in this case could be I said it helps the skin to, lock in moisture. So factors here could be dehydration, and we all know anything could be responsible for dehydration. It could be the weather, it could be environmental factor. It could also be acne, breakouts, purging, dryness. It comes in a lot of forms. So that is why I said external factors, etc. So what I'm trying to say in essence is this: your skin barrier is supposed to protect your skin from all of these things, happening to your skin. Now, when your skin barrier is damaged, you can imagine when it's just like a security guard in a place. When the security is armed, or when the security is compromised, anything can happen. And that is exactly what I mean. So when the skin barrier is damaged, number one, nothing works. Your favorite product, nothing will work. So how do you know your skin barrier is damaged? There are different things, and because there are different skin types and different skin concerns, your skin barrier could be damaged in any form. It could be dehydration. Your skin would appear flaky, very dry, very malnourished, and not moisturized at all, even if you are doing the most. Yours could be in form of purging or breakouts, redness, itching. It could be anything. And at this point, like I said, nothing works. So in order to heal your skin barrier, these are the things that you need to do. Number one thing is to pause, relax. Okay, don't do anything, just hold on, and factor how to simplify your routine. If you've been doing 8 steps, 10 steps skincare routine, now is the time to stick to just 3, at most 4. You don't need anything that can complicate the whole thing. At this point, you just need to simplify your routine to the barest minimum. Now, this is the time to also look out for ingredients like ingredients or products that are rich in these ingredients, like ceramides, peptides, hyaluronic acid, moisturizers that are rich, etc., etc. I was talking about simplifying your routine, and this is what I mean. The basic things that you need now is hydration. Everything that you need to do is just, give your skin a lot of moisture. Focus on how your skin will get a lot of moisture and hydration. That means, as you're simplifying your routine, you are stopping all forms of exfoliation. Guys, that is important because it will work. You might even be it's not even might, you will be complicating the whole thing if you do not, stop exfoliating your exfoliants, all your salicylic, glycolic acid, then your retinoids. You put a pause to all of them, at least until you heal your skin barrier. And all things being equal, if you are very diligent with these things, most times in a week or less than 2 weeks, your skin is my skin, for example, my skin is very sensitive. So the way my skin barrier gets damaged quick is the same pace it heals. So most mine is usually between 4 days to 7 days. If I'm diligent with, and I'm doing everything I'm supposed to do, it will heal. So I have said to simplify your routine. I have said to avoid any form of exfoliation. And I also said you should look out for products or ingredients that are rich in giving the skin a lot of moisture and hydration, and I also mentioned them. Now the next thing I want to talk about is focusing. While you're focusing on hydrating your skin, you also need to protect your skin, because the external factors I talked about the other time, UV rays is not exempted, it's part of it. And that is why, and that is where sunscreen comes in. Guys, please, it is important to use your sunscreen when your skin barrier is damaged. Do you know that I even find that a lot of people, this is not even skin barrier now, but most times, not most times, but there are times that people complain, oh my God, this product is not working, this product is not working. They, put a lot on their faces, but the most important thing for morning routine, okay, maybe not the most important, but one of the important things to do during your morning routine is to protect your skin, and that is to use sunscreen. People don't do it. They don't do it. Then they say, oh, this product is not working. Are you doing your part? Are you doing it diligently? Anyway, before I wrap this up, I want to quickly go over the things that I have said, and then, like I promised in the beginning, I'm going to walk you guys through what I do when my own skin barrier is damaged. So I said to simplify your skincare routine, to avoid all forms of exfoliation and retinoids, to look out for products and ingredients that are rich in giving the skin a lot of moisture and hydration, and to protect your skin. Do not forget to use your sunscreen. It is very important. So, in all fairness, sometimes these are the products that I use, and I'm going to walk you guys through. The most important thing is to cleanse your skin. To cleanse my skin, this is what I use. I've spoken about this countless times. This is the CeraVe Foaming Cleanser. This has ceramides, it has hyaluronic acid, and it has niacinamide. If you are familiar with CeraVe products, then you will know that ceramides now water. All of their products contain at least, there's a way they write it, three cera. Let me see if it's written here. This is written in French, so I don't know, but they usually write three kinikon ceramides. So you know that their products are very, very rich in, ceramides. And that's one of the reasons why I do not joke with my CeraVe. Their products wash your face very clean, and it doesn't strip your skin of moisture. And like I said, if there is one thing you should hang on to during this period, it is getting a lot of hydration and, yeah, making sure that your skin is well moisturized. So most times, again, depends on how I'm feeling. I use the CeraVe. After cleansing my face, I go in with my moisturizer. This is from Jumiso, and I particularly love this one because it has peptide. This is the Jumiso Snail Mucin 88 Plus Peptide facial cream, and it's also non-comedogenic. What this means is that it will not clog my pores. You can even imagine dealing with dryness and itching and redness, then you're using a product that will likely break you out. Ghetto. I love this. I love this so much. It gives the skin, apart from the fact that it hydrates richly, it also gives the skin a plump effect that I love. Yeah, so it's good. Then the last that last then the last thing I do is my sunscreen. This is the one that this English. This is from Skin Aqua. I've spoken about it on this channel. Very simple, just those 3 steps. And on this, especially now that there's even heat in Nigeria, this is not the time to pause to pause so much. But on days that I'm feeling extra, I said I was going to be transparent. On days that I'm feeling extra, I use toner. Okay, and I use this one presently. This one is Wonder Ceramide again toner. This one has a lot of ceramide. I just like the way this toner feels on the skin. It's kind of milky. So, and you know what toner is basically for? It is to balance. I mean, after cleansing the face and patting it dry, toners are supposed to like restore the pH of the skin. So, and this does that very, very, very well. It is so hydrating, and it has ceramide. So I use this sometimes when I feel like it. Then another thing is this. It depends on the nature of my it depends on the nature of what caused the damage to my skin barrier. In a situation where it is dehydrated, then I use the 5. This is also from Jumiso, and it also has peptide and snail mucin, and these are also ingredients that help to give the skin a lot of moisture. But in situations where it is not really, where the skin, where what I'm dealing with is not dehydration, honestly, I just do those 3 steps and I move. And like I said, in 4 to 7 days, the skin barrier is restored. It is healed. I have displayed the product on the screen in case you're interested in getting anyone, but just in case you did not catch anyone very well, I will put them in the description box. But I know some of you are not even patient to check the description box, so you can just, drop a comment in the comment section. I will respond. Thank you so much, guys, for hanging out with me again today. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for always engaging. Please do not forget to subscribe. Do not forget to like. Do not forget to comment. Do not forget to share and turn on your post notification so that you'll be the first to know anytime I drop another video. Remember, be kind to your skin, be gentle, and have a lot of patience. Till I see you next time, stay cheeky. Bye, guys. Mwah.